What up YouTube, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are taking the F80 to Wolves Den Customs. They are a PPF and wrap shop here in Orlando, and they do a bunch of other stuff as well. We're getting the souvenir GTS hood PPFs, as well as we're gonna redo my front bumper as well. I'll show you guys a little more once we get there, but I wanna thank you guys for all the support. Make sure you guys drop a like, comment down below, subscribe, hit the bell, follow me on Instagram, follow Wolves Den on Instagram as well. It'll be linked in the description below. And yeah, let's get into this video. All right, we just pulled up to Wolves Den Customs. You guys can see the F80 right there with the yellow DRLs. Look freaking sick. Pulled the car out to the back. We got a dope E92 in this pink chillin' ATH stickers. And then they opened up the shop for me, and look what we have right in the front. We got a freaking purple Aventador. Crazy. He was telling me that this car is originally white. It used to be army green, and look at this thing. Absolutely beautiful. And dude, the attention to detail on this car is immaculate. Forged carbon, V12, you already know. It's one of my dream cars right here. But he was showing me that right there, this car used to be white, and as you guys can see, they pride themselves on the quality over here. They did full door jambs in gloss black. You guys wouldn't even know that it's white. And yeah, this guy is apparently selling his Aventador, so if you guys are in the market, you know who to hit up. This thing is freaking beautiful. And moving right along, we have a sick ass Huracan. This thing looks hard. On the BCs as well. Sheesh. So the guy I was talking to said that they not only do like wraps, PPF, they can also do ceramic coating. They'll do wheels, caliber color, anything that you need. So they are kind of like a one-stop shop right now. Got another AMG, Bentley. They do a lot of high-end vehicles here, as you guys can see. And then over here, they do PPF, wraps, everything. You guys can see the lights on the ceiling look sick. And just like that, the F80 is pulled in. They're taking the front bumper PPF off, and then we're going to be redoing that. The old PPF is starting to peel and kind of yellow a little bit, so we are going to redo that. Just wanted to interrupt today's video to bring you guys a message from today's sponsor, and that's Simply Carbon Fiber. So they sent me out these two dope ass keychains, obviously made out of full carbon fiber, as you guys can see right there. This one is the OG 2x2 weave. You guys can see the quality right there. This would be a great gift for someone on Valentine's Day. And then moving right along, we have the forged carbon fiber keychain. All I gotta say is, who doesn't love carbon fiber? I know that I for sure do, and this would make a great gift for Valentine's Day coming up in just a few weeks. So do me a favor, guys, check out their website. I know they're also having a huge sale right now, so go ahead and check out their website. Everything will be linked in the description below. And I wanna thank Simply Carbon Fiber for sponsoring today's video. Now let's get back into this one. All right, we're at Wolves Den, and the owner, Jim, showed up, and he's gonna give us a little tour of the shop, a little rundown of what people do here, you know, where Wolves Den came from, what his story is, and then we'll get out of his hair so they can get to work.
Sure. So 2 years ago, I had the idea to start what I thought was gonna be just a detailing company. Obviously, it's grown to much more than that. I just had the mindset of like, I'll never say no. And that's how the first wrap happened, how the first PPF happened, ceramic coating, etc. Clients asked me if I could do it. In my head, I said, yeah, I could. So now here we are in our 11,000 square foot facility. Right now, we're in our design, what's going to be our design studio / lobby. We have software where you can actually pull your 3D model of your car up on the screen. Wow. You're going to be able to pick the wrap, the wheels, the tint, everything, and design it. And then we're going to take the rendering, make it reality here in the shop.
Hell yeah. So if people want, like, I guess, more than just a simple color finish or something like that,
yeah, so
overlays and whatnot.
The entire package, all different wrap colors, wide body kits. We can do 3D renderings of all of these before we even start.
Hell yeah. So I saw you guys do what, Forgiato wheels too?
We do.
You're a vendor for them?
Forgiato, HRE wheels.
Nice. One-stop shop.
Many different brands. We also do, now as of this month, we're doing suspensions. We're a ready lift dealer. We do rough country, do wheel and tire setups for cars and trucks.
Wow, one-stop shop right here.
One-stop shop, right?
I saw in one of your YouTube comments that someone compared you guys to like RDBLA of, you know, Orlando.
Correct.
I kind of see that vibe as well.
Not that I'll never base what I do based on someone else, but we just have similar mindsets as far as like, hey, we're not going to miss any opportunities.
Yeah, so and even like attention to detail and quality of work I've seen is like up par.
Exactly, yeah. So you take a walk through this room, check out, this is the white room. This is where we do application of all of our vinyl and PPF. This is our clean room. So as clean as possible, obviously white.
You guys see the lights?
Super light so we don't miss anything.
Wow.
Check out some of the stuff we got going on.
And you guys do all your wraps and PPFs in here?
We do, yeah.
So you guys can see with the better lighting, of course.
So one big difference about us is I almost never don't do a car without doing the door jams. We want it to look as complete as possible.
Oh, that's a big one.
So we don't wrap just the outside. We also wrap the door jams of the vehicle.
Nice. You pride yourself on being like seamless when it comes to wrap jobs and PPF, everything.
As close to factory as possible.
Yeah, this thing looks insane.
Wrap, PPF. You know, we do pre-cut patterns, but we extend the patterns and make it so that you can wrap them around the edges.
Oh, that's smart, yeah.
On PPF as well. So one problem with pre-cut patterns, the way that it's installed at some shops is that they'll leave a gap in between like the edge of the door. And that makes it a lot more susceptible to get dirt and grime up in there, which is to start peeling up. So we try to fold over as many edges as possible.
Nice.
To make it look as seamless as we can.
Yeah, and from the Lambos out there, I couldn't find it.
You won't find much.
Yeah, you won't find much.
Not perfect. There's no job that's actually perfect. You know, we'd love to say that we could do a absolutely perfect PPF or wrap, but whether it's contaminants or some edges that peel up or not getting perfect coverage, I mean, there's things that happen. We try to do the best job that we can, but we know our clients know that if anything does become an issue, we're going to fix it no matter what.
So. Oh yeah. Also, I was going to ask, where did the name Wolf's Den come from?
So during the pandemic, most businesses were closing down. I got the ingenious idea to open more businesses. Someone made a comment one day to me, and they're like, you know, you guys are the fucking wolves. And I was like, just stuck in my head. And then eventually, when I moved into our first location, I wanted to have a podcast, and I wanted to call it like at the Wolf's Den. So we would get like-minded individuals, business owners, etc. A wolf mentality. Big shirts that said "Wolves not sheep." You know, we went all the way with it. I never got the drive to start the podcast, even though people have asked me many times. But Wolf's Den just stuck.
It's a mentality, though.
It's a mentality.
Like entrepreneurship mentality and everything.
Correct.
Hell yeah. So what do you guys have over here?
So this is all brand new. Still trying to figure out exactly what our flow is going to be, but we have
some tire machines,
tire mounter, and also a road force balancer.
Wow.
So it's an expensive
Hunter, that's
machine.
nice. Yeah, that's top of the line, but
top of the line machine.
Definitely
usually dealers are the only guys that have these, so we actually have them at the shop, so we'll be able to mount and balance big, small, high speed, low profile, everything. It's a one-stop shop.
Nice.
We got lifts. This is where we're going to do all of our suspension work.
Also wanted to mention, you guys see the USA flag? My boy Jim here is a vet. Salute to you.
Thank you, sir.
Appreciate the service.
And then we got some more cars here, getting ready to go back.
Love the logo, for sure.
It's getting there. We've been winging it for a long time. 2 years. This is like 2 years of winging it, though.
Yeah.
You know?
You guys got new lifts in here.
Figure it out.
You're leveling up. That's all you got to ask for, man. It's a blessing, that's for sure.
And we got this crazy BMW. This thing's like nice as shit in the whole shop.
Chill. I'm by 2 Lambos, man.
Once you get this adhesive off, you'll be alright. It's a little bit better, you know?
Yeah. We'll show the back. We'll show the after, but good hospitality here. Love all the employees, but these two are crazy. You guys already saw this earlier. Aventador, Huracan. You already know. Bentley, AMG.
People ask me like, what did you do? How does it happen? I'm like, bro, trust the fucking process, man. Just is what it is. Just wake up every day, put your fucking feet on the ground, and work. Don't try to do shit the easy way. Don't try to take shortcuts. Like this whole thing, you have to understand one part about it is that all the first cars got detailed by me.
Yeah.
The first polishing jobs are done by me. The first wrap jobs are done by me. So I've led by example with my crew. So it's also a lot easier to find a team that's willing to be loyal and stay with you.
Yeah.
6 months ago, I was wearing, sweatpants and dirty flip flops, and I was washing cars. So the fact that we
doesn't happen overnight.
This doesn't happen overnight, man.
This is insane. But kudos to you, man. Where can they find you? Appreciate the time.
Yeah. Check us out on Instagram. Wolf's Den Customs _. My personal Instagram. Jim_super.
I'll put everything in the description, you already know. But we'll catch up with him or the team when we pick up the car. Appreciate you, man.
See you, brother.
Big shout out to Jim, showing me around, show you guys some of the wheels in their lobby. But your boy is headed out. I'm gonna pick the car up in about a day, they said, but I told him not to rush it, of course. I know they're super busy over here, but his turnaround time was only a day, which is insane.
2 weeks later.
All right, we just pulled up off the Uber, and you guys see the F80 right here. It's been about 2 weeks since we dropped the car off, and you guys can see it looks beautiful, all cleaned up. And right here, show you guys the GTS hood that got PPF'd. Again, shout out to Wolves Den Customs here in Orlando. They did a phenomenal job. I did a quick walk around to the hood, and it is literally seamless. I can't tell, you know, any lines on the PPF itself on the hood. I'll be able to show you guys a little more, you know, when there's more light out. But dude, it looks so freaking good. I'm just so happy that I have the car back and I can drive it again. And I didn't tell you guys this or give you guys an update yet, but when we took the PPF off of the front bumper, I opted to have the front bumper resprayed because that's another service that they offer here. So I know that I just got the hood painted, and I probably could have done the front bumper as well. But Wolves Den here does everything, literally, like paint, PPF, wraps. They'll paddle coat your rims. They'll do your brake calipers as well. And then Jim, the owner, just offered to, you know, have the front bumper sprayed for me because I had a bunch of microchips underneath. So that was something that I wanted to do eventually down the road. But since the PPF was off and the bumper was going to come off anyway, I opted to just do it now, and it looks amazing. I can't tell you guys how happy this makes me to see a bumper, you know, without any little micro rock chips, you know, from the previous owner. It looks incredible. And then on top of that, we PPF'd over top of it. You can even see the flake up close. But I'm gonna go ahead and go inside, talk to Jim, pay, and then yeah, maybe we'll get some content out here. But dude, I'm just so happy to have my car back and be able to drive this and make content for you guys. So let's go. All right, we just pulled the F80 in. It looks absolutely incredible. Just wanted to show you guys the white room, as Jim calls it, the owner here at Wolves Den. Just wanted to show you guys what they have going on at the shop in the white room, which is where they do all the PPF and wrapping, of course, because look at the lighting in here. It's absolutely beautiful. And I just wanted to show you guys a familiar car. If you guys don't know, this is my boy F80 Nick on Instagram. I'll put his name up on the left-hand corner. And then we also have a big boy double R getting, looks like a matte wrap done as well. But yeah, just wanted to show you guys the white room. Lighting in here is perfect. But you guys see the setup in here, absolutely sick. And I want to show you guys all the cars in the back as well. They do literally top of the line cars in here. My BMW looks like a little, you know, Honda Civic compared to all these cars getting done. So happy to have my car back. Looks like we got a range, we got a matte wrap on the bottom. Looks like it's going full matte, or maybe that's what they want to do, the two-tone. Looks like we got a big 4x4 G-Wagon. This thing is crazy. Those look like 26s. Yeah, damn. Looks like a matte green wrap. We also have an Aston and then a 488. Got 911. Literally my car in a sea of supercars. But I want to show you guys the F80 one more time. No more rock chips on the bumper. It looks so good. I've only driven my car for like a week in the past like month and a half, so getting the car back like this is definitely a treat. It's like Christmas for your boy, and I'm super stoked about it. Shout out to Wolves Den here. All right, check this out. This is a actual Lamborghini like Super Trofeo race car that has been converted and is street legal, and there's actually two here in Orlando. The owner Jim was telling me this thing is insane. You only see this on like DD vlogs or, you know, people out in California doing some crazy shit like Alex Troy, but this is an actual like Super Trofeo that has been converted to street legal, and it is here at Wolves Den getting a bunch of stuff done. PPF wrap. This thing is crazy. Look at this wing, look at the kit, look how wide it is, look at that exhaust, dude. What the that is insane. Probably one of the craziest cars I've seen in person for sure, and there's two in Orlando. Like, you guys see this wing on the Super Trofeo, and then you also see the shark fin that comes on the STO with a functional vent right here. This thing is crazy, absolutely a race car, fully gutted. Goals. The vented fenders, actually functional as well. Dude, it's one of the craziest cars I've seen in person for sure. Can't wait to see the finished product of that. But now let's go ahead and pull the F80 under the lights, get you guys some cinematics, maybe some reels for Instagram. Shout out to the owner Jim. He said my home is your home, so we are just gonna get some content for you guys. Let's get it. All right, we are back home right now, and I just wanted to show you guys the outline before the sun goes down. This looks so good around the edges. Absolutely killed it. And again, the paint match on the front bumper, it's a little dark right now, turned out incredible. And again, the edges of the PPF are very seamless. Again, it makes me so happy inside that you see no rock chips right there. I mean, it was peppered before from the previous owner, and then, you know, it was just PPF on top. So again, it's the little things that drive you as a car owner and a car guy or girl, you know, crazy, and that was one of them. But now you guys see the front end is super complete now with the GTS hood from Souvenir. Shout out to Wolves Den for the paint and the PPF. Let's go. That's gonna wrap it up for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Shout out to Wolves Den. They did a killer job on the F80, and I'm just glad to have my car back. We're gonna be filming a bunch of content coming up because Beamer Invasion is only 3 weeks away, so I have a ton of boxes here in the garage that need to get installed on the car. So I'll be filming a bunch of YouTube videos, so stay tuned. You guys don't want to miss out. As always, make sure you guys drop a like, comment down below, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell, follow me on Instagram and Wolves Den, and we'll see you on the next video. Take care. Peace.